So I'm going to add some zinc metal to this hydrochloric acid. Now that gas that's coming out of there is hydrogen gas. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this thing up. Now the best part of this whole experiment is how long it takes, because the pressure really builds. So this is now filling this with hydrogen gas from the top down. So I'm going to plug these holes here.
Does this work in your other
And I'm going to lift this off.
Oh shoot, this is gonna scare me.
What is it? Why is it gonna pop?
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Okay. Oh, not for a while.
Oh boy.
Okay. Okay. Now, so that thing is full of hydrogen gas. So I'm going to light it. And if it works, it will light and it will look like a candle. And it won't go off for a while. If it blows up when I touch it, then I guess it'd be cool, but it didn't really work.
Do we have to wear goggles for this?
You don't really need goggles for this. The best news about this demo is it's relatively safe. Yeah, I mean it's relatively low risk as far as the stuff we do. It's not quite as unstable as the sodium I did yesterday. So I would plug your ears for this portion here, just in case it does go off. Now let's hope it lights like a candle.
Oh man,
Okay, good.
this is gonna be loud.
So now, that's lit like a
Oh,
candle.
he accidentally extinguished.
Now I can talk about some other stuff right now because it's going to take a while. Okay, it's going to take a while. Now the reaction that's taking place here is we've taken zinc metal and we've added it to hydrochloric acid. It's undergoing a very exothermic chemical reaction to give off zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, plus hydrogen gas. And the idea behind this is right now it's burning that hydrogen that's coming out of the bottle. Now there's two different schools of thought. One school of thought is that it's taking out hydrogen until we get to the proper mix of hydrogen and oxygen and then it goes off. But I don't think that's what's happening. I think what's happening is the hydrogen gas is coming out and it's basically creating like a lower pressure area inside the Pringles can. And eventually when it burns off enough of that, it will pull the flame back into the bottle, and once it pulls the flame into the bottle, it will pop, okay? Now, last hour it was loud. Like, loud to the point that if I'm covering my ears, that would probably be an indication to you that it's pretty loud. Now, the good news about this is after I've done it a couple times, I've realized that you do have a warning sign. In just a minute, it's going to start going, and it's going to get higher, and then it's going to start buzzing lower. It's going to, and right as the buzz goes off, it will blow.
Oh god.
Okay.
No, that's about it.
Okay.
So let's listen. It's just starting to buzz.
Oh no.
Okay, can you hear it starting to buzz? That's good. Do you want me to turn the lights off? Or I guess you guys are all videoed, so I'll leave the lights on.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Yes.
And this is gonna be loud.
Yeah. Okay. Now everybody listen. I hear it too.
A nice fish, Mr.Padock.
It's going to be a loud one, yeah. Jeremiah and David, why don't you push one step back? There you go. Okay. Everybody listening? Now, as that starts to change to a lower pitch hum, then it's going to go off. And if it's like last hour, it'll be loud. I love the suspense with this one. The suspense is your favorite part. Patrick, make sure you're covering your ears, buddy. Okay, it's starting to get lower pitch. I bet 10 more seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Pop.
That was done.
And just about the time you lose hold. Okay, good. Now this is crazy exothermic. This thing is like 200 degrees right now.
I can smell it.
Like hot or cold?
Hot. Exothermic gives off.
200 degrees is very cold.
Is it hot in there?
I asked.
No, but I'm trying. That's why this has to be so long. We used to do this by just putting the neck of the balloon over this, and it actually would melt it. Okay.
Yeah.
You see,
At some point, I hit a point of diminishing returns, and it won't get any bigger. And I think we're at that point.
have you ever seen the Progressive commercial where like it's like a sound?
Oh yeah. Yeah. No más pantalones.
It's down on.
Ooh, that's hot and stinky. Oh.
Fail.
See, look at that. I was hot dogging, right?
Mr. Padock.
All right, let's try it again.
Hopefully
Woo!
it gets bigger.
Good. Erase those videos.
No, keep it going.
Oh, that's
No,
so
keep it
hot.
going.
Oh, that's so
Jump.
hot.
Keep
That was a
it going.
rookie move.
That was a total rookie move. Good thing I have some
Joseph.
Taco Bell napkins right here. Okay, this is gonna smell a little bad. That's all right.
Nice Benz versus Air Biscuits.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Versus your biscuits.
That's what our coach calls it. But he did that one time in wrestling. We're like, coach.
He just took a knee and then he farted.
And he's like,
Oh my god.
Look,
we're like,
you might have time.
Wait, what's
No,
that?
you're supposed to
in
see,
there,
you
Mr.
know what?
Padock?
No,
Hydrochloric acid.
stand the time.
That's hydrochloric acid.
F
Okay.
Dad.
Sounds like
That's stinky, guy. Okay, let's try this one more time.
You gotta put some zinc.
What's that?
What about the tablets?
What about what tablet?
The
Oh, we will.
zinc.
Yeah, the zinc.
We will. We'll put it in there.
I thought you were gonna forget.
Joey, are you the teacher?
I do have to rinse. Hold on. I can feel my arms starting to burn.
You okay?
Yeah, you just gotta rinse it a little bit.
Joe can kiss it.
No, it'll be okay. I think I'm gonna be
Joe will
okay.
kiss on you.
All right, here we go. Let's try this one more time.
Gino,
What?
you would know.
I know. You spilled some.
Oh, that smells.
Smells like round. It's kind of going lopsided, Mr. Padock.
That's all right.
It's like
That's nasty.
a deformed balloon.
Why would they give it to you if you're 18?
Does
They're
it
like, alright.
like fall or does it go up?
Well, if you can get it full enough, like if I had a pressurized hydrogen tank, you could fill it up real big and it would float. But in this example here, I can't get enough in there to actually make it,
hot air balloon.
make it into
Ew, it's
yeah, it's gonna stink.
Is hydrogen
I smell
less
something's
than
gone.
helium?
Hydrogen is less dense than helium,
cool.
which is why they used it for blimps.
Wasn't the Hindenburg?
The Hindenburg was,
Yeah.
and the interesting story there is Germany was actually trying to switch all of its airships over to helium because they knew helium was safer. But being that it was right before World War II, the U.S. wouldn't give them helium because they weren't sure what kind of military applications they were going to use it for. And that is why the Hindenburg, when it blew up in New Jersey, was still filled with hydrogen. Instead of being switched as they wanted to, they wanted to switch it over to, okay, helium.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you helium.
Hydrogen.
Whoa! Okay, now, I am gonna have you guys back up just a little bit, because I don't know, no, you don't have to back up that far. I just don't know, there's probably some liquid in there, probably got some liquid in there.
Will it burn us? You might want to move your stuff from
I mean, just close
Yeah,
your
we should
eyes.
probably move the stuff underneath it.
Oh no!
I find him.
Now, what do you think, lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Off!
I think lights off is a cooler effect.
Put my stuff right over.
Too bad there's the safety lights.
It's gonna be loud. My bad, since it is already.
Hey, Mr. Padock.
Pringles can.
Pringles can wasn't even that loud.
What is he doing?
Oh, I don't know.
What?
Oh gosh.
Just one.
Might be a dad.
How is it not? It'll go, don't worry. All right, Max, kick it.
That was sick. Max is gonna jump up there with the like.
Did you guys feel the heat?
Yeah.
Mr. P, what if you just did like a really small one and then just made like tiny flames?
You should make a
Why
huge
would you want
one.
to make tiny flames? So you can make like a bajillion of them.
Make a bajillion of them?
No,
And then have
I don't know if we have the zinc to do a bajillion.
It'd be sweet if you like lined them up and then have one explode, then it explodes all the other ones.
Oh yeah.
That would you do.
You were a screw.
We should just fill it to the top.
I like the Emma Spring.
Hey kids.
You're like right there.
Hey Joe.
Oh! Oh my god, I just got a...
Big whip.
Make it rain flashcards.
How much time? How much time?
2 minutes.
We only
Got
got-
it, got it. Good. The clock is frozen, so time
It is.
is
Time is finished.
not is
Time standing still.
infinite.
It's not. We only got like
We'll see
a minute.
if time
Oh,
is.
it moved. Okay, so what I'll do here...
My clock is off.
Save that for your next hour.
Nah. Hydrogen atoms are so small
Wait, I'm
that they leak out of the balloon real quick. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try to turn the lights on. Turn the lights off. All right, Max, hang a piece of
Where is it?
You'll help me live?
Like Max minus.
I'm just gonna be
Are you putting that in there?
Max, hurry
I
up.
want to see if you like put it in
I'll
there.
just
Like
stay
out
up
the
in
class.
class. Or I tell them.
No,
Change it. Sorry.
Now, I don't know if the video will work or not because it's gonna be pitch black. Did somebody rig a match for me? Now, this one should go quicker because it has less liquid in the bottom of it. Okay. Somebody hit the lights. Oh, okay, wait, turn the lights on. Wait. Yeah, okay, now turn the lights off. All right, when I get the math die, it'll...
Oh my god.
Okay, everybody got their cameras focused?
Yep.
sir. What?
Seriously.
Go Kaboom!
Oh!
Kick it!
Wait. Have somebody hit the light real quick.
It's like it just blows up.
Where's the matches? Where's the tape?
Yeah, I could be like.
Tape's right there.
I can be late to my third hour. Very encouraging. You're both like, yeah, same here.
I don't like singing.
Yeah, you don't have to stick around if you don't want to. But...
I do.
Okay, hit the
I don't
lights.
care if I backfire.
Why won't it? Okay, let's try this
Because
again.
it's a lame balloon.
Don't make fun of it.
Yeah!